Man, it's called the First Amendment, man.
Okay, but you're not on the side.
I know this is a public property that the taxpayers pay for. I mean, what kind of training have you had, bro?
Okay, but can you get the camera out of my face?
I mean, clearly you walked up to the camera. You walked up to me, but you walked up to me and you see I have cameras.
You walked and got the camera.
Like I'm having a great day, man. You're being very disrespectful and unprofessional, and I believe you need to get some more training, man.
Hey, can you just take your setup and move it to the sidewalk?
I'm not.
Off the walk?
No, I'm not.
Well, you're gonna have to move somewhere else.
No, I'm not.
Well, I'm telling you, you're gonna have to move somewhere else.
Or?
What you got going on?
Just out here assembling.
Assembling?
Yep.
On city property?
Yes. Welcome to CT3 Live. I'm JT Young, your host, and this is an episode of Respect Our Rights. It's October 17th, 2:38 p.m. And look, today I'm going to be holding this sign, making sure everyone respect our rights. But before we get into it, go ahead and gently smash that like button. And while you at it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm not going to keep you waiting any longer. Let's get right into it. Hey, God bless the homeless.
Is this your setup?
Yeah. Hey, God bless the homeless.
Moving somewhere else, like on the sidewalk or some sort, because you got people coming in and out of this area.
Yeah, that's why I'm here, to spread the message.
Yeah, I get that.
Yeah, I can't spread the message. God bless the homeless. I can't spread the message on the sidewalk. I need people to hear the message.
I get that, but right here you got people coming in and out and you interfering with people's walkway.
No.
Like
I was clearly on the side like this.
Yeah, but do you have like a permit or something?
It's called the Constitution.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it's called, the Constitution. That's my permit.
I get that.
Yeah.
I understand the whole homeless thing, and I feel for the homeless, but if you could move this like somewhere over there and not in the walkway of where everybody is at.
No, I'm not going to block anybody. I can guarantee you that.
I get that, but still, it's an office building. You got people coming in and out, people wondering like, okay, what's going on?
Just let them know. Can you just let them know I'm spreading the message, saying God bless the homeless when they ask about what I'm doing, and that'll help me spread my message even more.
I get your message and everything. We'll see, but it's just.
Yeah, if anybody walk through, they can have the walkway, and I'm gonna say God bless the homeless.
All right, just a second.
Hey, God bless the homeless. Hey, God bless the homeless.
Which God?
The Most High. I pray to the God through Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
I'm trying to give you a hard time or nothing.
I'm sorry, what you say, man?
I ain't trying to be on camera. You can get the camera on my face.
What you say, though?
Can you get the camera on my face?
Sir, have you had any training, man? It's called the First Amendment, man.
Okay, but you're not on the side.
I know, this is a public property that the taxpayers pay for. I mean, what kind of training have you had, bro?
Okay, but can you get the camera out of my face?
I mean, clearly you walked up to the camera. You walked up to me, but you walked up to me and you see I have cameras.
You walked and got the camera.
Like I'm having a great day, man. You're being very disrespectful and unprofessional, and I believe you need to get some more training, man.
Hey, can you just take your setup and move it to the sidewalk?
I'm not.
Off the walk.
No, I'm not.
Well, you're gonna have to move somewhere else.
No, I'm not.
Well, I'm telling you, you're gonna have to move somewhere else.
Or
You're just gonna have to move somewhere else. You can't stay right here and block the walkway. People don't want to be on camera when they're coming in and out.
well, unfortunately, they're in public.
Okay.
They're in public. It's called the First Amendment. We have the freedom to the First Amendment. You know what that means, right? We have the freedom of press, the freedom of press,
Of course I know what that
the freedom of speech, the freedom to assemble. Exactly what I'm doing now.
Okay, you can move it over there, onto the sidewalk and not over here.
But unfortunately, I'm not going to move because I have a legal right to be here.
All right, we'll see about that.
Come talk to me, I guess?
You all set?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I thought you was coming to talk to me.
Yeah, I mean, just seeing what's up, man.
Okay. How you doing?
I'm all right. What you got going on?
Just out here assembling.
Assembling?
Yep.
On city property?
Yes.
Did they give you a permit?
What's your name and badge number?
My name's Lieutenant Mudd. We don't have
Lieutenant?
Yes.
For the Raleigh Police?
No.
Oh, okay. I was about to say you at the, this is stuff you should know. That's why I asked you your name and badge number.
Okay.
You was like assembling on city property. Of course, that's the most public forum to assemble.
Okay, I got you.
Yes, that's the most public forum. If we go anywhere else, then we may be in the wrong. But here, we got the Constitution behind us.
Okay, cool.
I was like, Lieutenant, and he's acting like he don't. He said the city property. I was like, wow.
No, I mean, the city usually likes to have a time, place, and a manner, so they like to issue a permit to do so. So
Yes.
I was just asking, did you have
Time
a
and
permit?
place and manner is big,
Yeah.
and that's why I'm here.
Yeah, did you have
And-
a permit to do so or no?
No, I have the Constitution,
Okay, okay.
which the Constitution says we have the freedom to assemble.
I understand.
Now, if
Well,
I
what's
came
the
here,
call today?
now if I came here after hours when you guys were closed, or then that would be a problem for time, place, and manner. Or if I was at McDonald's and they asked me to leave, now that's the place. So we got time, place, and manner. So if I was out here blocking people, saying, "Get out my way! It's God bless the homeless. You need to respect what my message." Then that's the manner that I'm doing it in. So that's what time, place, and manner comes into play.
So your message is homeless?
God bless the homeless.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
So, is
So are you?
Is this the only way that you actually reach out to the homeless, or do you do other things too?
Oh yes, I do. I donate all the time.
Okay.
I donate all the time. How about you?
Okay.
How about you?
Yes. I support in any way I can.
Are you the supervisor of the guy that came out earlier?
Yes, I am actually.
Okay.
All right. Well, look, yeah, you wanted to set up your camera. I'm not sure how the cameras actually help the homeless, but hey, I mean.
Well, the
TV
camera helps spreads the message.
Okay.
If we just spread the message to the few hundred people I may run into today, that's not good enough. We need to reach tens of thousands.
Okay. Tens of thousands. By pointing your camera at the front door of the municipal building?
No, by spreading the message, God bless the homeless. So when we put this message out, what does that do? Just like if you say F somebody, that's a message that you're clearly putting out, right?
Yeah, I got you.
So it's the same thing, but this is a positive message that is going to bring awareness to the crisis in America, which is a huge crisis. We have a lot of homeless people in America right now that needs help.
I understand that.
Yes, and so that's the message that I'm spreading to hopefully help bring more attention to it. Therefore, we can do something about it.
Okay. Hey, I like it. Any way that you can help other people. I mean, we're all humans, right?
You got it.
Hey. What's your name? I'm sorry.
I'm Jay.
Jay?
Yes.
Okay. Well, Lieutenant Mudd. It's nice to meet you, Jay.
Nice to meet you too. Your guy came out here very, very aggressive. I thought he was going to knock the camera out of my hand because he was demanding that I get off the property, and it was like the pre-battle before the battle. So I thought he was going hands-on. So if you can, try to give him a little heads up to be a little bit more respectful. I'm a very respectful person. And when you see this video, you will see my other work. You will see I'm very respectful, have very good encounters.
Okay.
Unfortunately, when you come off disrespectful, I just can't give that same respect.
Okay.
You see, and so he's gonna be all over the internet.
I've been respectful.
Oh yeah, you've been very, very respectful.
So, in spirit of that, so if a member of the building, someone who's in apparent control of the building, actually stepped out, said that you're not authorized to be here, you will respectfully leave?
Oh, unfortunately, no, because we have a right. We have rights.
Okay.
So if they told me to do something that is right and I have to lawfully do it, I will listen. I'm a law-abiding citizen. But lawfully, I'm legally able to be here.
Okay.
And so, unfortunately, I will decline their request for the simple reason that I'm lawfully able to be here.
So, I have a question.
Yes.
It is very easy to get a permit to actually do what you're doing on city property. How come you didn't go about that?
It's the same difference is we have the ability to go get a gas card to get gas.
What?
It's the same difference is we have the ability to go get a gas card to get gas. But most people pay with their debit cards or credit cards or cash. Everybody don't go get gas cards. You see? So I don't have to go get a permit. It's an option to get a permit. It's not a mandatory thing that we have to do.
I'm pretty sure the city doesn't see it as an option, but I mean, like I said, it's the decision. It's their building. We're just here to help them protect their building. So the decision doesn't come down to me. It comes down to them, all right?
And I'm sure you have the city attorney in there. I'm sure you have the city manager in there. I would hope so, and they will be able to educate you guys and let you know he's perfectly within his rights. How often do you have to deal with someone outside with cameras holding a sign?
Holding a sign? Not often.
Not often? Any time in the last year?
Maybe, yeah.
Okay, so it doesn't happen that often, so it's just like, okay, he'll be gone, and let's just respect his rights, and we might not
bother anybody. I just came out to talk to you.
Okay, yeah, my goal is not to bother anyone. My goal is just to spread this positive message.
Okay.
And when you said somebody would come out, were you speaking of the city manager?
No.
Okay.
Absolutely not.
Okay, because that would be an interesting conversation with the city manager asking someone that's peacefully exercising their rights to not do so. I'm pretty sure they're elected, and that wouldn't be a good look.
No, I understand that.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, all right. Did you happen to come across any homeless individuals while you're out here?
I've seen a couple.
Okay. All right. Well, I mean, they frequent out here, so I mean, if you wanted to do more than just videotaping or whatever, they're out here, so you
well, that's not my obligation or my mission. My mission is to come out here and document me.
Spread the awareness of the homeless.
Yes.
But not actually help the homeless.
Oh no, I help the homeless, but that's not my mission right now.
I understand. Okay.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
All right. Well, hey, I mean, some nice kicks, by the way.
Thank you.
All right, man. I'm sorry. What was your name again?
Jay.
Jay? I thought so. All right, man. Well, you're more than welcome to do that, but like I said, it's up to them. It's not really in us decision, so we'll see how it plays out, all right?
All righty.
All right, Jay.
Thank you.
You behave yourself.
All right, brother.
All right.
glasses and a couple dollars.
Appreciate you. Thank you so much.
You know it, bro.
Well, as you can see, they respected our rights. That's a great thing, and that's another point for the Constitution. The first security guard came out pretty hot. He was aggressive. I didn't know where it was going to go, honestly. But luckily, he got a supervisor, and things were able to be handled professionally. So look, if you stuck around to the end, go ahead and gently smash that like button. And while you're at it, hit the subscribe button. And always remember, if you can believe it, you can achieve it. And until next time, peace.